The novel coronavirus continues to cause a lot of worry. There are now close to 30 countries with confirmed cases. And as the medical community learns more about the virus, they also have to continue the fight against misinformation.
The fear is not based on fact or evidence.
We asked a doctor what's true about the new strain of the virus and what isn't. Here are some of the top myths about the new coronavirus. Myth number 1. You have a high chance of contracting the new coronavirus. Your chances of contracting the virus are higher in Wuhan, China, where the virus started and where tens of thousands of people have it. But the risk is still low elsewhere in the country.
I still think that it is pretty safe, considering China is such a vast country and so many people.
In other places, like the US, the most dangerous virus is not the new coronavirus. It's the flu.
As far as a health threat is concerned, influenza is a lot more important than coronavirus.
Myth number 2. Wearing a mask will protect you from getting the new coronavirus. There is no evidence that a surgical mask will help protect you from getting the virus.
The droplets that people cough out, because the coronavirus is relatively large, within about, say, 5 to 6 feet, it would drop to the ground or drop to some other objects. So it doesn't flow in the air most of the time.
But what a mask can do is help prevent the spread of the illness. This is most effective when the person wearing it is sick because it traps the particles and prevents them from spreading. A regular mask has openings that may let the virus escape, so the best kind of mask to wear to block the virus from spreading to others is the N95 mask. Myth number 3. It's unsafe to send and receive packages from China. If the package is traveling a long way, like from China to Canada, it's likely that the virus would have already died by the time it got there.
The actual fact is that we receive a lot of things from China every day, and they don't carry the virus.
Myth number 4. Pets at home can spread the new coronavirus. Right now, there is no evidence that pets like dogs and cats can be infected with this strain of the coronavirus. Now, our final myth. You should avoid travel during the outbreak.
I think that we should probably do a little common sense decisions. For example, at this time, I would not want to travel to Wuhan, China.
Stopping all travel is a bit extreme. If you want to know where it's safe to travel, you can visit your government's website to find out about the latest travel advisories. One of the best ways to avoid getting this strain of the virus, or many other illnesses for that matter, is to practice good hygiene.
Washing hands frequently. For example, even if there's a carrier around with the virus, if you wash your hands and use hand sanitizer, the chances that you would not be able to get the virus.
Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we also dig into big issues around the world in our weekly series, Global News Explains.